Today I'm doing a real quick job. These wheel caps, they are scratched up, they are cracking. They're also not even really the correct color. That's from the factory, but they don't really match the brake caliper. They're not quite the right shade of yellow. Yeah, and they crack and they're garbage. Obviously the right way of doing this, like any other car, is to take the entire wheel off. But I'm sorry, if these things are cracked and they're not going to be used anymore, why do the hassle, lifting the car, taking the wheel off, doing all that? You can just pop them out, pop new ones in. If they give you a hard time, you drill them out and you pop the new ones in. So far, my experience with this suction cup thing has been they just take literally the cover off. Yep, just did it again. So the cap is still in there, but here's that cover piece. So the actual design piece seems to come off, which is probably another sign that, you know, look, these things are falling out. So, so many reasons to get rid of them. When this happens, I obviously can't just pull it out. There's no safe way to pry this out. People say use a trim tool, use a screwdriver. That's sketchy. I'm just gonna drill right into the center. Okay, done. And now we're gonna try using an Allen wrench just to pop it out. Let's give it a little. Okay, it's one side. It's the other side. It's coming right out. There we go. It's out. Easy. I do want this rubber gasket here. We're gonna take that and we're gonna put it on these new ones. You can see the shade difference, pretty dramatic. Also the horse is larger. The yellow goes all the way to the edge. It's overall much nicer. It matches the brake caliper perfectly. I don't know if that's in the shot. I'm not holding the camera. I can't see the camera, but you get the idea. And here we go. One last thing, really stupid, but hey, it's the rule. You point the feet of the pony at the valve stem, and that's over here. I know that's not in the shot, but that's over on the top. There we go. That's it. Easiest job ever. Don't take off the whole wheel. Everyone's gonna be like, oh man, you're so lazy. No, you're just ridiculous. This is fine. All right, that was it. End result, looks pretty good. Same color, points in the right direction. I'm a happy camper.